проектирования, производства и продажи оборудования по мусоропереработке.
Pressona are one of the world's leading manufacturers of fully automated balers and compacts for waste management and even air transport systems for dealing with waste paper and paper rejects. Thanks to several decades of experience and ongoing development work, our products meet the recycling industry's most stringent demands. Pressona's high-quality products are manufactured using modern and efficient methods of production. Throughout its history, Pressona has single-mindedly invested in development and innovation. Balers from Pressona are among the world's foremost robust, reliable and cost-efficient. This even applies to our other products, such as complete sorting systems for household waste, compactors for waste disposal management and air transport systems for the graphical industry. Pressona's high-quality balers are extremely flexible. They press a wide variety of recycling materials. Everything from paper and plastic film to aluminium cans, PET bottles and other plastic waste, to compact cubic bales of the highest quality. Pressona's many different balers are all equipped with our unique pre-press technique. This makes the baler's energy efficient and extremely durable. The technique involves pre-pressing the material from above, this avoiding the need to cut away any excess material. Pressona's pre-press system leads to less wear and tear on vital machine parts, while energy consumption is minimized, making the whole machine more reliable and cost-efficient. Pressona's strapping system allows demand to steer the choice of strapping material. When steel wires are the most suitable, then Pressona's system with 5 strapping wires is the best choice. The advantages with this well-proven system are many, particularly when it comes to safety. A well-controlled positioning of the knot ensures a stable bale with the minimum amount of strapping wire. Pressona can even supply a system using combustible strapping material for bales which are to be incinerated for energy production. Our machines can also be equipped with cross-strapping, which enables bales, for example plastic, to be produced. Using optimal pressure ensures the highest possible material density on the bales. How can we minimize the effect that the growing mountain of waste has on our sensitive environment? The answer is global cooperation. We must identify and present solutions which are economically viable and which will remain effective far into the future. This is where Pressona can be an invaluable partner. Pressona are specialists when it comes to designing and installing ready-to-run, cost-efficient machines adapted to customers' needs for sorting and compacting waste products. At the waste management plant in Minsk, Belarus, waste from the neighborhood is processed. In the Persona LP100 CH4, 40 tons an hour of waste is processed, gaining a bale density of over 1 ton per cubic meter. At Sverek in Mölndal, the facility of the balers is of the utmost importance. Here, several different materials are compacted, and it is vital that the balers can be adjusted quickly and simply. Using Persona's Quick Select program, this is possible with a simple press of a button. Reliability and dependability are quite simply vital at the plant in Värnamo. The plant produces corrugated cardboard boxes around the clock. The waste handling system simply must work. A breakdown could threaten the entire factory's production capacity. Sorted and baled waste should be seen as a resource and not as a problem. A lot of material, which was earlier seen as worthless and expensive to get rid of, can be recycled and used in new products. Sorted and unsorted waste can also be used as fuel in energy and heat generating systems. AB Svenska Returpack is responsible for the Swedish deposit system for aluminium cans and recyclable PET bottles. The deposit system for cans started in 1984 and for recyclable bottles in 1994. Returpack's task is to educate about the deposit system, administer the program and coordinate the return of deposit packages so that every part of the system works. In the factory, which is situated in Norrköping, all of Sweden's recyclable aluminium cans and PET bottles are collected. There they are sorted, counted and baled for further transport to the recycling company. The recovered cans are then reused in the manufacture of plate of new cans. The PET material is used to manufacture new PET bottles. The factory, which was built in 2003, handles just over 900 million cans and 400 million PET bottles annually. In order to deal with this flow, the plant is equipped with 6 fully automatic balers from Persona in sizes varying from 40 to 100 tons press force. There are also 2 Persona perforators for mechanical perforation of PET bottles, a guarantee for obtaining maximum bale weight. Bale weight for perforated PET bottles pressed in an LP80 VHK is approximately 400 kilo per cubic meter, which gives optimum loading capacity for a trailer or a container. At Afav in Fredrikssund, Denmark, newspapers, magazines and corrugated cardboard are processed. The material arrives irregularly, making it necessary for the baler to process a large volume in a short time. Persona's baler LP100 CH4 can deal with up to 600 cubic meters an hour. The bales can be wrapped in plastic, which means they can be stored outside, thus reducing demands on storage space. Plastic wrapping even leads to a more rational management of waste at the plant and during transport. The Alba Kunststoffvertung factory, about 100 kilometers from Berlin, they have specialized in compacting plastics. Alba's LP80 VHK has all the functions necessary for processing different plastic products. The machine is equipped with, among other things, cross-strapping and a perforator that can handle up to 100,000 bottles an hour. At Sydoåtervinning in Malmö, the tempo is high. The plant runs two of the largest balers made by Persona, model LP100DH4. These workhorses bale 70,000 tons material a year. IL Recycling Partner AB sells recycled paper to paper mills in Sweden. The company has 14 recycling plants in Sweden and a smaller number abroad. Over 20 years ago, Persona and IL in Örebro began cooperation when the first baler was installed. In October 2005, IL opened its new recycling plant in Örebro, built to deal with more than 150,000 tons per year of recycling paper and plastics from households, industry and trade. The factory is equipped with the best sorting and baling technology available on the market today. The continuously increasing proportion of plastic was one factor that persuaded IL to choose Persona's pre-press technology again, providing a considerably higher capacity when baling plastic materials compared to many traditional shear baler systems. A baler with pre-press technology also produces significantly heavier bales when pressing plastic. Two new balers were purchased for the plant, one LP100DH4S and one LP140XH2S, with a feed opening of 1,100 times 2,200 millimeters. This giant presses everything from cardboard to shredded industrial waste and produces up to 50 tons or over 800 cubic meters per hour. Persona has extensive experience of designing ready-to-use machines for processing waste products in varying environments. Our long experience means that we can offer each and every client the optimal solution, taking into consideration both individual factors as well as the entire system.
50 VH2.
Persona's units are installed by our own well-trained service technicians who even take charge of the startup process and training of personnel. We can of course even provide qualified service and preventative maintenance contracts. Scheduled maintenance by Persona's well-trained service technicians is the best way to prevent acute problems with the units.
Проектирование, производство и продажа оборудования по мусоропереработке.